Welcome to a world of sophistication and style. In today's video, we'll explore modern home decor ideas to elevate your space and transform your home into a stunning masterpiece. From sleek furniture to the perfect finishing touches, these tips will inspire you to create an elegant, contemporary look you'll love. Embrace minimalism. Modern design thrives on simplicity. Start by decluttering your space and focusing on clean lines and open layouts. Invest in multifunctional furniture pieces like sleek storage ottomans or minimalist shelving units to keep your home tidy and stylish. Remember, less is more in modern decor. Play with neutral tones and bold accents. Neutral tones like whites, grays, and beiges create the perfect backdrop for a modern aesthetic. Pair these with bold accent colors, think jewel-toned cushions, vibrant artwork, or statement rugs. The contrast will make your space pop while keeping it elegant and contemporary. Incorporate statement furniture. Choose furniture with a sleek and streamlined design. Opt for pieces with metal or glass accents for that modern touch. A velvet sofa, a marble coffee table, or sculptural chairs can act as focal points while adding a luxurious vibe to your interior. Add texture and layers. Create depth and interest by layering different textures. Use soft throws and cushions, textured rugs, and even woven baskets. You can also incorporate natural elements like wood, leather, or stone for a sophisticated, modern look that feels cozy and inviting. Illuminate with modern lighting. Lighting is key to modern home decor. Choose sleek floor lamps, geometric pendant lights, or recessed lighting for a clean and polished effect. Don't shy away from bold lighting fixtures, they can double as stunning decor pieces while setting the mood in your space. Integrate smart technology. Take your modern home to the next level with smart technology. Voice-controlled lights, automated blinds, and sleek smart speakers not only add convenience, but also give your home a cutting-edge feel. Seamlessly blend these features into your design for the ultimate modern experience. Personalize with art and decor. Showcase your personality with carefully selected art and decor. Choose modern wall art, sculptural vases, and curated books for your coffee table. Remember to keep the decor minimal but impactful, ensuring every piece has a purpose and complements your overall theme. With these modern home decor ideas, you're just steps away from transforming your space into a contemporary haven. Whether it's upgrading your lighting, choosing the perfect furniture, or adding bold accents, the key is to create a cohesive and stylish look. Ready to elevate your home? Start today and watch your space come to life.